Hey guys, this is Naveen here and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to discuss top 5 languages, or we can say top 5 programming languages to learn in 2021. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So the number 5th language is C++. Now reasons why should you learn C++ in 2021. The main reason is it is very close to the hardware. We can say the first one is binary language, then C, then C++. Or we can say C++ is a superset of C, and it is very easy to learn language. If you are able to learn this language, you can literally learn any of the language in the world, whether it came to Python, Java, JavaScript, just with the help of C++. But the need is C++ concept must be clear. You must know the STL, the basic string manipulation, the basic string methods, or we can say file handling, and lots of topics like this. And on the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you the best resources to learn these languages. So stay tuned. For whom is C++? So basically, C++ is a language for competitive programmers, for game developers, and people who want to make their application very fast, very responsive. Companies like Google, Amazon, Tesla is using C++ till now because it is the most powerful language in terms of speed. So that's why I have put C++ on number 5th. Now moving towards on number 4th. Number 4th will be C#. Now you might be wondering why Naveen has included language like C# on number 4th, because companies like Microsoft is using C# for its application like Microsoft Word, Office, Excel, etc. And it is not only that, C# is very easy to learn language, and it is also used for game development. We are not talking here about normal games like PUBG or Call of Duty. We are talking about here virtual reality games. Yes, you heard it right. With the help of C#, we can actually build VR games. And company like Microsoft is also using the power of C#, which is mainly virtual reality, for its Microsoft goggles, which you might hear of. And one last thing, C# is going to get a very huge exposure in the year of 2021 because of its .NET framework. So if you didn't know about its .NET framework, please go and check it out. It is an amazing framework for building applications and etc. So moving towards our third language, you might guessed it right. Yes, it is Java. So what is Java? Java is basically object-oriented programming language which is used to develop Android applications. And the main bonus point of Java programming language is it is never going to end. The main competitor of Java is Kotlin, but it will take a long time to reach Kotlin up to the mark of Java. If you want to get secured so that you can get a decent job, you can absolutely go for Java. Java is also a very beginner friendly language. I admit you have to write a lot of code for just a simple task in Java, but it is very easy language and any beginner can learn that language. So please go and check it out, Java. So the next language will be Python. Yes guys, you heard it right. Python is on number 2. Now why Python? Tell me why not Python? Python is the most popular language from 2019 to until 2021 and up to so, because of its beginner friendly interface, and Python is so much easy to learn. Even a kid which is in like 9th or 10th standard can easily learn Python with the help of just online courses. And companies like Netflix and Instagram, it's all backend code. It's dependent on all Python. Can you believe it? Even a single like just like this, it is all dependent on Python. Its backend code, how to manage data, it is all managed with the help of Python. One advice, If you are learning Python, I will recommend you please go with the Django framework because it is easy to learn and it is the most popular framework for Python, so please go and check it out. Now moving towards the first language on our list is JavaScript. Now you might be thinking, Wayne has gone crazy. Why is including language like JavaScript on number first? First of all, because of its interface. It is super friendly for beginners. Anyone can learn this language, but not a kid like 9-10 year old, or but not a kid like who's in, we can say, 9th or 10th standard. We can say a college student can easily learn a language like Python who is just starting into all these programming languages. And the second point is JavaScript is never going to end. The main competitor of JavaScript is only TypeScript, and nowadays it is also booming, but it will take a lot of time to reach TypeScript up to the mark of JavaScript, and you can get quite a lot of file package with the help of JavaScript. And the requirement for JavaScript programmers is rising day by day. It is never going to end. The demand for JavaScript is rising day by day and it is never going to end. If we talk about US and UK, the average JavaScript programmer usually get $110,000 per year, which is quite a lot. But if we talk about India, it is not like that. If you learn only JavaScript, you will get a package of like 20 to 30 lakhs. You have to learn at least 2 to 3 languages. Like if you are learning JavaScript, you should must learn Java and C++. These three languages are the most beautiful combination ever. And one last thing about JavaScript, all these web pages which one can see like this, or we can say like these pages, all these pages are built with the help of JavaScript, even these pages too. So you can say JavaScript is everywhere. So JavaScript is never gonna die. You can safely learn JavaScript as your first programming language. You will never gonna regret for learning JavaScript as your first programming language. And the best resource available for all these programming languages will be included in my description, so please check it out. And if you want Coursera courses for absolutely free, please check out my last video. It will be popping around here. And one last note, these are my personal opinion for all these languages. If you want to learn C++ as your first programming language, then please go ahead. I will recommend you to first learn C++. Forgot about Java, JavaScript, Python. Please learn C++ first. Clear out all your concepts about object-oriented programming, data structure, algorithm. Then you can easily move on to any other languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, or we can say C#. My personal recommendation will be first learn C++, then learn Python, then learn JavaScript. That's all. Your life will be sorted with these three programming languages. So that is it for today, guys. If you really think that my video is helpful to you, please hit that like button, and if you really think I'm doing a great job, then please appreciate me with hitting that subscribe button, and let's aim for 10 likes for this video, and I will see you in next video. Bye bye.